Hi guys, Pastor John here, and today what are we doing? I'll be opening 3 FIFA World Cup 2018 Adrenaline packs. So yeah, let's get started on the first one. This. Okay. So the first one is James McLean. And then there's a whatever this is. Oh, it's here. Joshua Kimmich. Well, I don't know how to pronounce his name. Yeah. And then you got Oleg Shatov from Russia. And then Emir Moore from Turkey. And then Jonas Svensson from Norway, I think. Yeah, Norway. And he's a teammate as well. Memphis Depay, got him. So yeah, from Netherlands, of course. Okay. Andres Iniesta, what do you know? An expert. And according to the chances, there is 1 in 10 packs. So yeah, quite lucky. We got John Stones, of course. He got signed for Manchester City, I think. And how do you pronounce his name? Arthur Jadrzezik. Yeah, he's from Poland. So yeah, let's get into the second pack. So let's go to the second pack now. This. So first card is from Ireland, Dal Murphy. The next one is Juan Cuadrado. Personally, he's one of my favourite players from FIFA. Just love using him. Baliaz Zodzak. He's a game changer, though. So 1 in 6 packs. So yeah, still don't know how to pronounce his name, but he's from Hungary. So yeah. So we got another goal machine, Joshua King, and that is 1 in 4 packs. So not as rare, but still quite cool. Florian Andone, yeah. And what I put Andone. He's from Romania, so yeah. Next card is Kamil Glik from Poland. Next one is Oribe Peralta. So yeah. Sami Khedira, quite cool. And Yuri Zirkov. Okay, so let's go on to the third and final pack. Okay, so the first one is Darren Fletcher from Scotland. Daniel De Rossi, quite old now. Ooh, fans' favourite, the manager Nikolic. So that is 1 in 2 packs, so not that rare. Quite common actually. Paulinho, key player, but he's from Brazil. And I thought Neymar, or you'd expect Neymar or something like that to be key player, but he is Paulinho. Actually, he's quite good. Also, 1 in 4 packs, so it's not that rare. Alexander Fransson from Sweden. Lucas Fabianski. I think he's the goalkeeper. Yeah, he's the goalkeeper. And Jonas Hector from Germany, of course. Another Andres Iniesta, but a normal one. So, a normal, not the special card, just a normal one. And last one is Ovidiu Hoban. So yeah, that's the pack openings, the cards I got. See, so I think my best one was the Andres Iniesta one, I would say, because he was probably the highest rated out of all of them. So yeah. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. I think I might do another video tomorrow. Yeah, tomorrow. I'll try to do one tomorrow. So yeah. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe, and peace out.